these are the folder sheets which we have, so we'll prepare them for the lamination. So this way I have put them in the lamination pouches. So we have to take care that the distance is equal on all the four sides. These are 125 micron lamination pouches which I am using. So can you see this? So these are prepared. So meanwhile our laminator is getting heated up, we'll prepare the sheets and save our time. So we'll place the sheets which are ready to be laminated into the slot which is provided for inserting our lamination sheets. You may check out the source of these printables in the link in the description box below. For the cutouts, we should preferably first cut each individual piece and then laminate them and then use it for our file folder activities. So let's get started. I know you will be tempted to laminate the whole sheet as such and then cut it. The problem is that though it is time saving, but if you cut the laminated sheets, then the ends will be tapered off and the child will be easily able to remove those lamination. So it's better to first cut each piece and then laminate them and use it for your file folder activities. So now we'll be laminating these butterfly cut pieces. Our laminator is ready, it is heated up, so now we'll place it into the slot for its lamination. Here we have our butterfly cutout pieces laminated. If you see very carefully, we have a little boundary across all the cutout pieces. Now we'll cut again each piece using the scissor. See, this is ready. Now we can just put the velcro dots and use it for our file folder activity. We have to take care that we do not leave any sharp corners. So either you can do it using the scissor or using the round cutout.